Well, a big focus today was introducing everybody to the Virginia Department of Emergency Management. That includes other things that you don't necessarily think of when you think of hurricane season, but are still important in our response. Right now, standing by the Hazardous Materials Unit, lots of stuff, lots of things to think about as we head into hurricane season.
Being prepared is a huge part of our job. And so here on June 1st, where we kick off...
That's the governor telling us what a big job it will be this year. Experts predicting 14 to 21 named storms. Officials at the Emergency Operations Center stress that hurricanes are not just a coastal threat, something we know all too well from storms like Irene, which did more damage to central Virginia than it did to our coast in a lot of areas. The EOC drills and prepares across a lot of different agencies, but they also know that each event is unique.
And as we say in this business, if you've seen one hurricane, you've only seen one hurricane. They're all different in terms of impacts despite the hurricane scale numbers. And you heard the governor.
Everything is different, and there are so many things to consider this hurricane season, from whether or not you have flood insurance to making a plan in case cell phone contact goes out, what to do with your pets, how to help disabled family members. A great resource for making all of those plans is the website vaemergency.gov. Working for you, Bree Season, CBS 6 News.